Hello friends, in this video I am going to cover a small concept called LEN function wherein you can calculate characters in a specific data range or within a specific cell. So the formula is very simple. So I press equal to LEN open parenthesis, then provide reference of the cell bracket complete, enter. So this calculates length of characters within a given cell. This becomes very important when you want to uh, do some checks on accuracy of the data. Like for example, if you are into, let's say, HR and you are updating database of employees in Excel, and you are updating, let's say, their mobile numbers, PAN card numbers, and you want to make sure that by mistake you have not entered any additional character, or any character is less than 10 or whatever is applicable, then these functions will be a quick check for you. It will at least ensure that additional characters or less than required characters are not entered. So this is how this function works. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this with more and more people, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.